Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix iPhone can't send text messages to any Android phone. Follow these easy steps to easily fix this error. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down until you find messages. Open messages and here you should see iMessage option. So if you're having this error that you are trying to send any text message to any Android phone, but your message failed to send, first solution is you have to turn off iMessage option because this iMessage feature is only available for an iPhone user. So if it's turned on, then you can easily send iMessage to other iPhone. So all you have to need, turn off iMessage and then turn it back on after 20 seconds and then scroll down and here you should see this send as SMS option. So this is normal SMS. So you have to enable this option must. So must enable send as SMS option and here you can see send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Carrier messaging rates may apply. So now all you have to need, turn off your iPhone or restart your iPhone and then go to your message apps and now try to resend the message to any Android phone and the message should be sent now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.